What's
All
up,
that
man?
ain't necessary, man.
With another video, man.
Well, what is he doing?
Might help my boys, man. Got B out here.
Trying to go to jail.
All that ain't necessary.
My dog RJ.
Bro, all that ain't necessary.
Y'all see what's going on? Whole lot of clean society shit.
Other people live. Damn.
Yeah, let us live, man. My boy, I thought he was behind him when he came off around that corner, boy.
What's up, bro?
What's up, my boy?
I thought he was behind you, boy.
Already. We ain't gonna make it to the car show.
Yeah, we ain't gonna make it.
Man. They don't need us going.
Oh, yeah. That noise y'all heard, that's what y'all heard right there. That.
Yes, sir. Newman, you see it? You know what I'm saying?
That's what y'all heard. But yeah, man, we finna head to this car show, man. Be back with another video, man. What's up, gang? It's your boy Relo back with another video, man. Hey, man, we finna show out here. These boys finna show out. My boy finna show out. Watch. Watch. He finna show out in that thing, boy. Yes, sir. Y'all see what we got out here, man. That vet thing, man. That vet life. See what's going on, man. Whole lot of vet shit up there. Yes, sir. That's out here. That motherfucking SS, man. It's your boy Relo back with another video. Y'all see what we at. With the car show, man. I'm out here with the team, man. With the car show, man. We just out here checking out stuff, you know. So, y'all stay locked. Y'all stay tuned. No footage on the way.
See what will work.
Got that GMC Sierra. Red shackles down there. HIDs.
I'm getting in this one. Watch out, cuz. Everybody hop in.
Cuz finna attempt to get in the truck.
Man, this is a new addition to the C90 CLEANSOCIETY gang, you know what I'm saying? We're rocking red eyes and the thing. Relo General, salute. What's the ice? Look at him, man. This is what you call legendary right here, you know what I'm saying? But man, you ain't getting there, but hey, let's try though. You know what I'm saying? Exactly, the squad. You see the squad right there. Relo in the back, my boy B the General in the front. Big RJ in the thing, you know the role. You got me, but you can't see my face because I'm too ugly.
Cheetos, what?
Hey, I'm gonna show you something. You know what I'm saying? It's 50. Yeah, it's 50. See a nigga laid out.